What's going on, YouTube? So, another episode of the M235i build series. Today we're going to be installing a front mount intercooler on my car. I got an Arms Motorsport intercooler. It was probably the cheapest intercooler you can get. I don't know if you guys watch Simply Car Things or not. He used to have an M235i and he actually used that intercooler before on his car, and he said it was pretty good intercooler. You know, it's bang for buck. It's one of the best things you can buy. And I also was looking at the specs, and the intercooler is, the dimensions are the exact same as the Evolution Raceworks intercooler, which is a very, very good brand. That's what I used to have the charge pipe on my 135IS for. And yeah, so I'm sure it's just metal. Like, it's not going to make that big of a difference whether it's this person that welds it or this person that welds it. Well, obviously it does, but you know what I'm saying. So anyways, let's get started. All right, guys, so first thing you're going to want to do is remove the skid plate under the bottom. So it's going to just be a bunch of 8mm bolts. So go ahead and get your 8mm socket, whatever tool you're going to use, ratchet, wrench. For me, I have my little Milwaukee stubby impact. So we'll go ahead and get those off real quick, and then, yeah. Okay guys, so the next thing you're going to want to do is remove the clips right there where the light is flashing at. I'm going to remove that on that side, and then the other one on this side. And then after that, we'll drop the intercooler. Alright guys, so I got the clips off. So I forgot to mention, I already have an upgraded charge pipe. So on the, if you're looking at the front of the car, it'll be the right side. Where the driver's side doesn't have one of these, the passenger side will, if you haven't upgraded the outlet pipe on the turbo. So took the clips off. There's one right there, there's the other, and now we're going to try to drop the intercooler, and I'll verify which Torx bit it is that you need to drop the 2 screws to drop it. Okay guys, so it is a, let's see, T25. So I'm going to go ahead and use this electric ratchet, and we're going to go ahead and take that out. Okay guys, so I was able to get the intercooler out. It was just those 2 bolts, and then you kind of have to pull kind of hard. I didn't think mine was gonna come out, but it did. And make sure you just, you know, pull it off of the intercooler piping or the charge pipes. And then yeah, so there's the OEM intercooler right there, and then here is our new one. I'll go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison for you guys, so you guys can see the difference. So looks like this one is a little bit wider, and it's way taller, so should be pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead, and I actually got a turbo outlet pipe as well, so we're gonna try to install that too, and then yeah, we'll get to it real quick. Yeah. Alright guys, so the turbo outlet pipe I'm also installing connects right there to the turbo. It's trying to focus, but it's the silver part right there under the manifold. There is a clip just like on the bottom of the intercooler. I popped it off from the top, and then from the bottom I kind of pulled on it and it just came undone. So we're going to install the new one, and then the intercooler should bolt right up and we should be good to go. I also want to give a shout out to my boy Jay Amador and his cousin Junior that are out here helping me.
I'll reflect too.
Alright, sorry guys that I haven't been filming too much because it got dark, and it's also just kind of hard to film because I'm trying to get all this thing in. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than it was, but pretty much on the outlet pipe, I put the clip on first and then put the pipe on, and the clip snapped into place. It was snug, was not coming off. I pulled as hard as I could, and it did not come off. So that's what I would recommend to do if you do get the Arms Motorsports outlet pipe with intercooler. And then after that, I just tightened down, put the silicone coupler on. That's going to connect to the intercooler, tighten it onto the outlet pipe, and now I'm trying to take off the mesh because I like the exposed intercooler look. So I'm going to try to take that mesh off right now, and then put the intercooler on, and then put the clips on, and we should be all good to go. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? So it's been a little bit. I didn't end up getting my intercooler in, and I'll explain that right now. So what happened was, on this charge pipe, which is the VRSF one, I don't know if you guys can see, but it does have this little lip on it. And well, this whole this whole section right here is just too wide. It doesn't fit in the coupler. So what I'm actually gonna do, because I don't feel like waiting and my car's not running, and I was driving my mom's car since my car wasn't running, and that car started misfiring and something about the map sensor, so I'm gonna have to work on that. But I need a car to be able to go drive places and do stuff. So luckily it's my day off today and tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually just cut this part off, and I have a little pipe that's actually the size of this that will, what I'm gonna do is just do a coupler off the intercooler to the little pipe, and then put a coupler on the end of the little pipe and then connect it to this on the other end of the coupler. And I know for sure that'll work, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so pretty much, yeah, I'm holding. Pretty much this is what I was trying to do. This is gonna be like the setup. Obviously that's not on there, but that's the goal. And I'm thinking that'll work pretty well. And yeah, so I ended up cutting off that piece that I told you guys about, but it has a coupler over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this back into the car, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so it's a lot later now. Just flashed the car, got the intercooler on and everything. I'll show that to you guys. Getting ready to go for like a little test drive. Can't really see the intercooler too well, but Dante's here, my brother's here, Ethan's here. If you guys are original Primus members, you guys know who Ethan is. He was in our first videos, a part of Primus when we were first starting that. So he's here. He has a 340i, just like my brother. My brother's this 340i MHD Stage 2 E30 map. We got Dante over here, you know, just bolt-ons, intakes and downpipe. And then Ethan is bagged with MHD Stage 2 downpipes and XHP flash. So we're gonna go for a little drive right now. We're gonna see how my car's running. Hopefully everything's good, no leaks. And yeah, maybe get a little bit of runs in, you know what I'm saying? But we'll see. Fucking windshield's hella dirty. First gear revs up stupid fast. It does. Yo, what's going on YouTube? So, whoa, out of focus. Alright, there you guys. What's going on YouTube? So, I didn't finish recording the video yesterday. Well, we got some pulls and whatnot, but I didn't get to show you, guys the car. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks now. The intercooler. I think it looks pretty nice. I got some stuff coming in. I have a front lip, and I also have a spoiler I'm getting ready to actually install, but you guys will see that in the next video. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more coming on the channel. This is already, I think, like the 4th video. I recorded a charge pipe video too, but I don't think I'm gonna upload that one. Just didn't turn out too good how I wanted it to. So yeah, the spoiler, I have a front lip coming soon as well. Gonna go E85, try that out soon. So we got a couple of videos coming out for you guys soon. So like I said, make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribed. Go ahead and give it a like if you like the video, and yeah, later guys.